Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing y'all some tape in extensions from Amazing Beauty, and they always have really nice hair. I had their clip-ins before, so they sent only two boxes of, or two packages of tape ins, and they look just like that. I think they weigh about 50 grams. If you want a thicker look, you can get 3 or 4 packages of the tape ins. They also come with reusable, they are reusable, and then they come with additional tape. So if you want to take them out and reapply them, and they're really easy to remove. You just can put a little bit of alcohol on them, and then they're just gonna come right off. And then, but here I'm just using Kobe for the model, and I'm just running the pressing comb through her edges. And I also put a little bit of that edge wax on there. And then I'm just kind of sectioning out the perimeter of the hair so that that part, if she wants to pull it up in a ponytail or something, like nothing will be exposed. So here what you see me doing is sectioning out another little small piece to cover the back portion, to make sure it's full. But you can actually start right above that little section that you left out first, if that makes any sense. So anyway, you just peel the tape off of the back of the tape in, and then you're just gonna get a little thin piece of hair, about a little smaller width than the actual tape in. And then I place my first one under the first little thin piece of hair, and then I'll take another one and place another one right on top. So you just take the tape paper off of the tape, and then just press them down together. I've seen somebody on YouTube taking a flat iron and pressing them together too, just to add a little heat, but we didn't have to do that, and I just did that all around the back portion of the hair, just like that. And they're so easy to apply. It probably took us about maybe 30 minutes to put the whole thing in. And then they are like super soft, so you don't have to worry about like feeling something hard or something like that. So y'all see I sectioned off another bigger piece, and then I'm taking a smaller little section, and that's the part that I'm gonna actually apply the tape into. So I leave a bigger little section, a bigger chunk, to cover the last set of tape ins, and then I take a small thin little piece, and then I tape the bottom, and then put a tape in on the top. And then, just like I was saying, I seen on YouTube that some people would take the flat iron and kind of just press it just a little bit. I guess it's just to make the glue stick down more, but I noticed that we didn't have to do that. And she got these tape ins reapplied again after this install, and they stayed in pretty good each time, and we didn't have to put any extra heat on it to get it to do that. But that's how it looks like that, y'all. So it just has it has a little shiny piece on top. So, you know, if you actually part the hair where the actual taping is, you'll see that, but they're really very undetectable. So what y'all see me doing here again, I'm just portioning out a section, and this little piece I made it a little bit bigger because we only had 2 boxes of tape ins, and I didn't really know, because this was my first time doing it, how many boxes of or packages of tape ins we needed. And each package I think is 50 grams, and I think this was 20-inch tape ins, I believe. And then they're in the color jet black. So I think they're having a sale too today. I think it's like $75 a package or something like that. You can go to their website, and of course I have the links listed in the description box below. So they may have another sale going on by the time y'all see this video. But I've been having this video for so long, and I just wasn't able to put it out because I just moved shop. So yeah, but I'm applying the tape in. They're so easy, like it's really nothing to do. You peel little tape off of the sticky part, place the one on the bottom, and then do the same thing on the top. Press them together and make sure that they're stuck, and then they're in. You don't have to worry about them slipping. You don't have to worry about any of that. And then they look like your own natural hair, or like a sew-in. And then also you can like pull his hair up in a ponytail and do all of that. So here I'm just taking another clip in, applying one to the bottom and then applying one to the top. And here Kobe is taking the paper off of the tape for me, so I'm not even having to do that. And we're just breezing through this installation. Like, I sped the video up, but it's really still is not even taking that long to apply. And then I would suggest, if you want a fuller look, to get 3 packages of these tape ins. Like, these work really good, and I had their clip ins before, and the clip ins was really nice. Like, I'm about to get ready to put them in today so I can go to brunch, and they're easy to install. And like, you can do it yourself if you can't afford to, though, because they're charging like thousands of dollars to put in tape ins. And y'all see how simple it is to do. You can get somebody to help you, or you can take your time and put them in yourself, just like that. Y'all look at that. That look like her own natural hair. That look blend in with her hair so well. And they have every color tape in that you want. Every color tape in that you want. And yeah, I think that was 20-inch tape ins. They wasn't like super long, but like, they was just like real cute once we put in. But you can see that it like blend in with her hair so well. So we finished putting the 2 packages of tape ins in, and I think we're just gonna probably do like a middle part, but I just want to show y'all what it looks like when you part it on top of the tape in. So that's what it looks like. And then here I'm just gonna do Kobe a middle part. Okay, here y'all, I'm using some of the Got To Be wax spray, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on her part area where the middle part is. And it's just the Got To Be spray with wax in it. So, you know, you don't have to use the wax stick if you don't want to. You can use that. And then I'm just trying to get it smoothed out so I can make sure her part is straight and defined or whatever. And I'm just going in with the pressing comb, and I'm just gonna straighten out the little root part of her leave out area. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go in with my T3 irons. I'm so proud to have a pair. I got them on sale at Macy's during their anniversary sale, I think, for like 99 bucks, but they regularly like 200 some dollars. But anyway, I'm just gonna go in and throw like some little big barrel curls in with the T3 iron. These curlers are so good. They get hot like instantly, and the curls are just pretty. I love them. I don't use them all the time because I get scared to. Sometimes hair has fillers in it, and I don't want to mess them up because they're like that white color or whatever. So, but I love those T3 irons. If y'all looking for a good high quality iron, the T3, and they not too heavy either, so they're really light. But yeah, I'm just putting like some big curls in there. and just blending her hair in with the I keep saying clip ends, the tape ends. Just blending her hair in with the tape ends. And y'all, she has a natural look with her tape ends. If you want a more fuller look, I suggest you get 3 to 4 packets. We use 2 packets of the tape ends for her install. But you can definitely go with 2 packages if you just want like a natural look, sort of look like your own hair growing out your own scalp. And it already looks like super pretty, just really pretty. And it looked like it could just be her own hair. Like she just got her own hairstyle, not super thick or anything like that. And I'm just combing through with the little rat tail comb, just trying to get it styled out. And I didn't put any oil or anything on it because this is already black extensions and they had like a little sheen to it. So I didn't put nothing on there to curl the actual hair. And it turned out real cute. Y'all, this hair is from Amazing Beauty. It's the tape in. So I have the links listed below in the description box. Run on out and get y'all some. Y'all, this is her when she got the hair reinstalled. She did like a half up, half down. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you can know whenever I post a new video. Also, leave a heart in the comments to let me know that you're showing me some support for my channel because I'm back. Bye, y'all.